Hi there. In this video, we're going to talk about who is the instructor, who is this course for, and what are you going to learn. And the short answers to those questions are, my name is Eric Lippert. I'm targeting this course at absolute beginner C# programmers, and we're going to talk about the basics of procedural programming in C#. Now let me go into that in a little bit more detail here. I said procedural programming. There's a lot of different programming styles. There's functional programming. There's object-oriented programming. We are going to talk about none of those. Procedural programming is generally thought of to be the kind of programming that's most straightforward for beginners, so we're going to stick to that. There is a lot of jargon in computer programming, and I've already used a bunch of it. So whenever I introduce new jargon, I'm going to try to define it carefully. And I want to make sure that, that we get a solid foundation in procedural programming in this course. I was one of the designers of the C# language. I was at Microsoft for many, many years, and I worked on the specification for the language. If you have any questions about this course, or about C# in general, you can feel free to email me. I'm at eric@lippert.com, and I write a blog about the design of C# and other programming languages at ericlippert.com. And if you have questions about actual code, preferably specific questions, there's a great website called Stack Overflow, and a lot of people post questions at every level about C# there, and I answer a bunch of them, and other experts answer them as well. In our next video, we're going to look at the C# language specifically.